how to delete playlist on YouTube. So if you want to delete playlist on your YouTube, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your YouTube application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now once you're on your YouTube, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom right. From here, you have to go to the playlist tab. If you scroll down, you'll find the playlist tab right here. You'll have the playlist option. So just simply go with view all, which will be on the right side. And here you can see that you'll have all of your playlist. If you want to delete any one of that, then all you want to do is just simply tap on the three lines or the three dots next to that playlist. Like for example, I want to delete the playlist which is right here. Then I'll just simply go with the three dots which will be on the right side, and then I may have a delete option. But if you don't find it, you need to tap on the playlist, and now you need to go with the three dots which will be on the top, and you may find a delete option. Or if you don't find a delete option, you need to just simply swipe left or right. So if there are any playlists that you've created, then you can just simply go with the three dots which will be on the right side, and then you'll have two options, which is delete and edit. So you need to go with delete and tap on delete playlist, and the playlist will be deleted. That's how you can delete your playlist on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.